These are worn in a very different occasion. Elegant and malakas ang dating mo, dyan ka. Pag mag-grocery ka, go with something like this.
Trade in 650 or cash 1529.
He has 8 days to choose and try to dispose his another watch another day, brother.
Tapos kasi nag-inquire ako dito sa Panda. So,
Yes.
next ako ni Ma'am.
Meron actually, ako mismo yung naghanap nun. So, meron naman tayong may bibigay na Panda na 2024 brand new, the newest reference na. Ayun.
Kano kaya? Pwede kaya i-trade in?
Yeah, pwede naman. She mentioned nga that you wanted to trade in. Complete with papers naman to, no? Alright. If you don't mind, how much you got it for?
130.
You're gonna get a big loss. So this is the Bruce Wayne pala, guys. Reference 126710 na GR Narto. So they call it the Bruce Wayne. This is an oyster. In fairness naman kay sir, ginawa niya agad, pina-PPF niya agad para hindi na magasgasan. So when you buy the Bruce Wayne kasi ngayon, hype siya eh. Kasi bagong-bagong release. At saka pare, lalaki rin naman talaga yung design niya. Actually, something I would also wear. Now, you wanted the Panda naman. May Panda pa tayo ba?
Meron.
So this Panda is reference is 116500. So yung bago kasi is 126500. Yeah, so yun ang pinagkaiba niya. This is a 2017. We're selling it for 1,559,000 lang. Actually, cheap siya. Well, selling kasi this is 2017, pero maganda pa rin naman yung condition niya. Full set din siya. Kaya 1,515,000. I probably give you a little more discount. But if you're looking for the latest reference, which is the 126500, full set na brand new pa, unworn, you really have to pay the premium. We're selling it for 1,950,000. 1,950 ang benta namin doon. So if you're leaning towards that, we can do the deal naman with that. However, in regards to this, if you really want to do this, you're gonna add, like, kasi ako honestly value ko dito 900 lang. But you're very safe kasi in terms of investment in this one. Panda yan eh. Daytona Panda yan. That's one of the, you know, most sought after na
Rose, kasi nakita ko sa vlog ni Boss Cholo, big boy watch daw. So hindi lang literally, pati sarili na
big boys watch yan mga yan. Yeah.
Pwede pa bang bawasan, boss? Ngayon man lang, pumanik sa akin yung tadhana.
Ano mas gusto mo, sir? Yung brand new or ito? Because these fly like pancakes tong mga to. Ang bibilis na to. Submariner na mga ceramic natin na black Submariners and mga Daytona na Panda and Congo, mabibilis yan mga yan. Pinaka-important sa akin is what you want personally. And I would actually, if you were to get my advice, I wouldn't say na kuha ka ng brand new. Parang kumuha lang ng kotse yan sa kasa. Pumunta ka sa kasa, bumili ka ng kotse, paglabas na pagkalabas, nadumihan lang yung tires outside, depreciate agad yung value. So because every brand new has a premium talaga. Some people have their beliefs, some people just, you know, doesn't want na may na ano na sila, may nasuot na sila na nasuotan ng iba, so on and so forth. So if you're really not particular in those areas, get something on second hand. Save yourself a couple of bucks, diba?
Ganda.
Ganda.
Additional ko dito, sir, if ever,
650. What do you think? You get the watch now. Kasi andyan na eh. Available na eh. Ikaw, madam, anong tingin mo magandang choice na?
Support lang ako yung gusto.
Support? Ganyan rin asawa ko. Kaya masaya tayo eh, no?
nag-iisipan ko kung kunin ko lang straight cash or card or
Pag card, brother,
pag tin-rating ko kasi, sir, kumbaga valued as 900, tama?
yes. Usap tayo cash. Wag card. Kasi card may fee eh. If you wanna stock cash, let's stock cash there. Hindi siya trade. Mas mabibigyan pa kita ng discount.
So ano bang tag price ito, sir?
1559.
Babalikan ko as cashier para makuha ko rin yung ano, i-reserve ko siya if ever magkasundo tayo.
Yeah. What do you think?
Pag cashier, magkano best?
I'll take 30k off. 1529.
1529.
1529 the best I can do for that. You get to keep your watch. Actually, okay naman eh, kasi they're very different eh. These are worn in a very different occasion. Gusto mo na medyo elegant and malakas ang dating mo, dyan ka. Pag mag-grocery ka, go with something like this.
Okay naman sa akin price, sir. Kaso, kailangan ko ibenta to.
Kasi kung ibibenta mo yan, trade mo na lang. Ganon din eh. Of course, you can try to sell it for like mga 950, 1 million. Try mo lang. Kasi that's what I would sell it for. Yun nga lang, yung madedelay ka nga lang na ano. Down ka lang kahit 50k and then that's sold to you na. Considered sold na yan. Try mo ibenta. If deadline comes, wala na talagang choice. Hindi tsaka mo i-trade.
Pwede yun 2 options pagka after 7 days, bigyan mo 7 days ibenta or...
7 days, ibenta mo to. Pag hindi mo talaga mabenta, balik ka sa akin.
Bakit i-finalize na natin yung details, sir, ng cash, 1529.
Yes,
1529 pag cash. Pag trade,
And then today is Tuesday. I'll give you until Wednesday next week.
okay. Trade in 650 or cash 1529.
So, I'll be cool.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay, sir. Sige.
Thank you so much. So, ibalot na namin yan. Mira, tago mo na to para kay sir. Done?
Done.
Done. 1529 or trade plus 650. Done deal. Ma'am, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Done deal. Ganun lang guys. So binigyan natin ng choice si brother. He has 8 days to choose and try to dispose his new old watch. New siya pero old watch muna kasi. So try to dispose it muna. I'm just giving you just to help out, diba? So in case na hindi mo naman na wala talaga, hindi ko talaga ma-dispose. Sige, trade.